I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials, your redeem code and the Microsoft account you'll use. Sign into the account on your PC, then open Microsoft Store and the Xbox app so they're ready. Once done, make sure the account is the one with an active payment or billing info if this is a subscription activation. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions, get the code visible, and the apps signed in before moving to the redeem process. Now you redeem. Open Microsoft Store or the Microsoft account redeem page and select Redeem a Code. You'll type the 25 or 16-character code exactly, so copy and paste to avoid mistypes. After entering it, confirm which product or Game Pass tier appears and check billing prompts. Some codes apply months of service while others grant trials. Click Redeem or Confirm and wait for the success message. If it links to a subscription, the Xbox app. Finally, install games. Open the Xbox app, go to Game Pass library, and choose titles to install to your PC storage. If the subscription doesn't show, restart the Xbox app, then sign out and sign back in. That forces a sync. If you see an error message during redeem, check the code hasn't been used, confirm your Microsoft account region matches the code region, and ensure billing is up to date. As a key troubleshooting tip, clearing the Microsoft Store cache and rebooting often resolves lingering validation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.